Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and having great time at home. I welcome you all to the Smart School e-lesson classroom. Let's see what are we going to do today. We will learn about the primary and secondary colors. We will also learn to create secondary colors by mixing primary colors. We will also learn to write the names of primary and secondary colors. So let's begin the class.
Colors, the primary colors, red, yellow and blue. Colors, the primary colors, red, yellow and blue. Red, apple, red, tomato, red, flower, red, bus. Colors, the primary colors, red, yellow and blue. Yellow, banana, yellow, cheese, yellow, fish, yellow, shoe. Colors, the primary colors, red, yellow and blue. Blue, butterfly, blue, bike, blue, balloon, blue, bird. Colors, the primary colors, red, yellow and blue.
So what are the primary colors? Red, yellow and blue. Right. Let's see the red colored objects. Apple, tomato and strawberry. Let's see the yellow colored objects. Banana, sun and lemon. Now let's see the blue color objects. The sky is blue, the water is blue and a whale is blue. Right. Now let's learn about secondary colors. Now let's see how we can make the secondary colors. When we mix red with yellow we get orange. Right. Now, let's see the orange colored objects. An orange is orange, a pumpkin is orange, and a carrot is orange. Right. When we mix blue with yellow, we get green. Right. Now, let's see the green colored objects. The grass is green, peas are green, and the frogs are also green. When we combine blue with red, we get purple. Right. Let's see the purple colored objects. Grapes are purple, eggplant is purple, and a daisy flower is also purple. So what are the secondary colors? Yes, orange, green, and purple. Dear students, this is your color wheel activity. Watch the video and make your own color wheel.
Our primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. So let's fill that in to the color wheel. We begin with yellow, our first primary color. Next, we will fill in our second primary color, which is red. And lastly, blue. Next, we will be mixing our primary colors to create our secondary colors, which are orange, green, and purple. Firstly, we begin with orange. We mix yellow and red by putting the lighter color first, which is yellow. Then we add our red. By mixing them, we will create orange. Now we add it to the color wheel. Next, we mix yellow and blue to create green by adding a yellow first, which is the lighter color. We mix the yellow and blue to create green. And then we add it to the color wheel. Lastly, we mix red and blue to create purple, which is our third secondary color. Then we add it to the color wheel. So here we have our color wheel with our secondary colors and primary colors. Our primary colors are yellow, red, and blue. Secondary, orange, purple, and green.
Dear students, now see the object, identify its color, and write the name of the color on the green board. Now, which object is this? Yes, apple. What is the color of the apple? Right. Now, write the color of the apple on the green board and show it to your teacher. What is this? Yes, this is a sun. Now, write the color of the sun on the green board and show it to your teacher. What is the color of the whale? Right. Write the name of the color. What is the color of the grass? Right. Now write the name of the color on the green board. What is the color of an orange? Right. What is the color of the grapes? Yes, right. Write the name of the color on the green board. Dear students, this is your day 2 task. This task should be done in your Smart Language workbook. On page 28, you need to paste the stickers of flowers and write color of each flower. Stickers are on the last page of the workbook. This is your day 3 task. This task should be done in your Smart Language workbook. On page 32, you need to paste the vegetables and write color of each vegetable. The stickers of vegetables are at the last page of the workbook. This is your day 4 task. This task should be done in your notebook. You need to write the names of primary colors and make the relevant pictures. And you need to write the names of secondary colors and make the relevant pictures. And best of luck, everyone. So let's see what have we learned today. We have learned about the primary colors and the secondary colors. What are the primary colors? Yes, red, yellow, and blue. And what are the secondary colors? Secondary colors? Right, orange, green, and purple.
My Favorite Color by Elisa Leung. My favorite color is orange. My school bag is orange. My favorite color is yellow. My school bus is yellow. My favorite color is blue. My Jeep is blue. My favorite color is purple. My ice cream is purple. My favorite color is red. My fire truck is red. My favorite color is green. My lollipop is green. Let's read. Orange, yellow, blue, purple, red, green.
My favorite color is yellow. And now tell me your favorite color.